Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to show you how easy it is to create your very own custom hats using Gelato. Let's get started. First, log into your dashboard and head over to either your store or the product catalog. Today, I'm going to start in my store and I'm going to select a single product. Once you're in the catalog, select hats. And then make sure that you select the market where you plan on selling your hats. So you can either select Europe or US and the Asian Pacific region. So I'm going to select the US because I'm going to be adding a US product to my store today. Next, pick out the style of hat you'd like to create. Whether you prefer a classic baseball cap or a trendy trucker hat, we've got plenty of styles to choose from. Now, the fun part, customizing your hat. You can choose to print on the front, back, or even both sides of the hat. Just select the print area down at the bottom of the interface. First, I'm going to add a design to the front of my cap. Don't have a design ready? No worries, Gelato offers a selection of graphics that you can select from. Let's choose one together. Because I'm going to sell in the US and summer's coming up, I'm going to select one of the 4th of July graphics for my hat. This one looks great. Then I'm going to add my initials to the side of the cap. Let's go to the left-hand side of the cap, add some text here, and I will add my initials. So what I also want to do is add personalization to my cap so that when my customers purchase the cap in my store, then they'll be able to add their own initials. So how we do this is I'm going to head over to the personalize button on the left-hand side, and I'm going to select Shopify in-page personalization. And I'm going to go down to other layers and turn on the personalization for my text layer. I'm also going to rename that layer to say initials here so that when my customers see this product in my store, they'll be able to personalize and they know that they should add their initials or any other type of text there. Okay, let's preview the mock-up. Everything's looking good, so let's move on to the mock-up stage. And then we'll jump past details and pricing, and let's hop over to the Shopify store to see what that looks like. So now you can see my product here in my Shopify store, and you'll see on the right-hand side that customers can add their details in order to personalize their product. And that's it. You've just created a custom hat with Gelato, ready to be made locally and sent swiftly to your customers. We hope that this has given you a spark of inspiration to expand your product catalog. Happy creating!